name's Debbie and I'm a foster carer for Neath Port Talbot, and I've been foster caring with them since 2012. I'd entered my 50s and I was working as a nurse and decided to step down to make way for the younger generation. But I wasn't ready to do nothing just yet, so I wanted to do something. And fostering was something I'd always considered, but believed I wasn't able to do it, being a single person, not in a relationship. My best friend at the time was a foster carer, and she advised me to make inquiries. So I made a phone call and the process started. So I've had the privilege of working with some wonderful kids who haven't had the best start in life, and with some that have had to deal with things even adults would struggle to deal with. I like that I can provide them with a safe home where they feel loved and never get shouted at, where they know there's plenty of food, hot water and clean clothes for them. So initially you carry out the introduction to fostering training, which gives you a great insight into why children come into foster care. Following that, you get the opportunity to do ongoing training, and you even get the chance to request any specific training for your needs. The main challenges, I would say, is understanding the children's needs, because each child is an individual and each brings their own challenges. Having said that, the challenges very rarely get an opportunity to present themselves because there's always help and support at hand 24/7. So the main rewards are being able to make a change to the children's lives, to give them hopes and dreams for the future, and to teach them to smile and laugh and even sing, and to be able to make a difference.